12. And then, before we get the dog thrown at me. Huh? Fuck, not the dog. The duck will hurt. Looking for the tunes today. Tunes. Right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning to another stream. Today, I am joined by Mr. Hayes. Let me just make
Yo.
Yep, it's working beautiful. All right, today we'll go over NQ real fast, and then we're going to dive into a whole plethora of stonks, and we'll look at them on the monthly time frame, break them down, see what we see going into this November month and into the second month of the quarter, and go from there. So let's start off with a quick NQ overview of what we had on the previous week and outline all the important levels that we got. So let's start off Sunday open. We'll wait on that one. But previous week high, previous week low, those are always important. Those are levels that you want to mark. Anything higher time frame, you always want to notate that, just because it's going to give you a better overview of what can happen. Previous week low was fucking right there. That's crazy. Sunday open, it's in probably somewhere around these parts, so we'll keep it there. And then same thing over here. Sunday open is also an important level. It gives you an overview, right? Like we always talk about those higher lower time frames of what can happen on the weekly. If we're looking at a candle, right, it starts with an open high or open low, and then high close, low close. Right, so that's kind of why we outline that Sunday open, just so that gives us a structure of what the weekly candle can do, whether or not we manipulate above, below that Sunday open first, and then see where we are closing towards the end of the week or towards like midweek. Going to give us a different perspective of where we're at. Let's take a gander here of what we had in terms of trades this previous week real fast. If you guys remember, we always, every day we outline. Was that a sneeze? Bless you, maybe. I don't know. All right, let's take a gander here. So Monday real fast overview. If you were here, make sure you're turning into those morning streams as well, guys. We're outlining everything that can happen on there, so come hang out with us in the morning. Quick 10 minutes, doesn't take up much of your time. Just tune in while you're drinking coffee and you'll be set up for the day. Over here on Monday, right, initial retest of the London range OTE, tap into this 705 level, and then continuation from there. And then this is kind of what we outlined, when to see a little sweep of that high of the London session, and then a reversal, which we did do that. We swept it, saw a reversal, but now we are outlining this range OTE. Let me get rid of this. So now we're outlining this low to this high right there. So another retrace into that OTE range, tap of the 618, continuation from there. That was our Monday. Going into Tuesday, we saw that Asia consolidation. London took out both sides of the Asian session, so there was a possibility of having that S&D day, or seek and destroy, whatever you want to say, broad information. But typically those happen on Wednesdays, right? We're not going to discount that they don't happen on Tuesdays, but majority of the time that I've seen it is Wednesdays. But over here you can see we swept above the London highs, formed a fair value gap, and then continued to hold that 15-minute fair value gap over here for that continuation to the upside. Something to note is just looking at those higher time frame structures and what price wants to do on those, rather than zooming in and looking on like a 1 minute or a 5 minute, right? Only time you should be doing that is when you're looking at like a high liquidity level, or those higher time frame levels. That's the only time you should be looking at those levels. So let me delete some of these too. Actually, some of these we want to keep because there was times where we just swept them and held those levels. So let's see here, right there. Moving on to Wednesday. We drew out this expansion. Hit the -4, bounced out of it. That's that London range manipulation. But typically what we see, right? We always outline it with a daily plan that I'll show you guys in a second here. But Asian consolidation, or Asian, a little bit of an expansion. London swept the Asian highs, which a lot of the times means that New York is going to see a reversal to the downside. Right here, right at 10 a.m., we sweep the previous hourly high, kind of continue to drop from there. You can also throw OTE right there, right? Optimal trade entry. Right there. Tap the 705 and just start our descent to the downside. Took some shorts on that day and then fucked off. And you can see that delivery. And then from there, we obviously Powell in, whatever. But make your trade and fuck off. On Thursday, really good day. Honestly, I like that. Sweep of that previous daily high. We streamed on Wednesday night. We said we're likely going to see an outside day, which we did right there. Sweep of that previous daily high down to the previous daily low, which was right there. Swept all of that. A few levels that we outlined, right? We had an OTE right there of this range once we begin that descent. Swept the previous daily low right here, or swept the previous daily low. Bounced out a little bit out of it. Swept these lows. Came back into OTE and continuation on that short from there. Over here, reversal right after the liquidity sweep. Something you should guys watch, as well as those liquidity sweeps and seeing what price wants to do from there. Friday, pretty good short day as well. Same thing. This is the daily plan. Almost pretty close to that. Monday was my daily plan right there. So this is something that we look at every morning, right? So what does this model look like? We have that Asian consolidation. London looks like that manipulation to the upside. So New York is likely going to see that continuation to the downside. It's exactly what we got. Reversal to the downside, rather. It's exactly what we got from there. Really solid day here. 9:30 opened up and just began to gush right out of the gate. Sweep of some of these liquidities or tap into OTEs, retrace back up. No continuation above that London open, or not even the New York midnight open. So then we get that continuation back to the downside. And that's Friday. And yeah, we'll outline the other levels like that Sunday open and see what we can do on the weekly insider Discord. So make sure you go check it out. It's www.papertraders.io. Now let's get into these stonks. We're gonna look at the monthly time frame and see what we can do from here. Starting with Apple. Mr. Hayes, if you've looked through some, tell me. But Apple's seeing really solid, maybe a retest of 260, like a manipulation to the downside right here, like that on that monthly wick, and then go back up.
Yeah, I was saying strong monthly close through that high. If they can print an FVG like with this month's close, this would be like huge expansion to the upside probably.
I like
afterwards. Like pretty much the area you have.
Yeah, that's what I would want to see too. Just a little retrace on that monthly to give us that open low high close if that's what we're looking for on these.
Yep. Yeah, I posted that in Discord before too. Like if you're bullish, you really want the monthly to go down first and then up. And if you're bearish, you want the monthly to go up above the open.
And it's something that we always look at on NQ as well, is those breakout levels. If we break a strong high time frame level, we always want to come back and retest it to show that it's support or that it's resistance. So that's why I'm drawing that wick like that. ABBV honestly could be a solid short.
That's what I was thinking.
We're coming pretty close to the 200. So maybe, but also that blunt little, what is this, August candle? Could see maybe a sweep of that into 705 and then go from there.
Yep, I like that. I think it probably held around that previous month 50% pretty decently too, so we'll see. And then that's another thing I like to do now is mark this whole monthly candle that just closed, like mark it with a fib with the 50% on. And if we get above that, more likely to go towards the top of the candle.
I like that. ABT is next up. That kind of looks like shit.
Yeah, I just ignored it because it just looked shitty and choppy.
I mean, possibility of like whatever, cup and handle maybe, right? You got this guy going on here like that, and then go from there. You know,
Yeah,
that's
for
like,
me, it's like on the monthly, look at how many of the last months we spent in this little like flag. Like I just don't want anything to do with that. If it looks like that on the monthly, anything that looks good on the daily or weekly it's just not going to play out because look at the range it's in.
yeah, exactly. Possibility of that 118 maybe retest and go.
Yep. And like that, I said yesterday on Twitter, like, doesn't have to be crazy like you charted that, but your alert, don't look at it again until you literally get an alert on it.
Exactly. That's why I'm like, put on ABT.
And then you just reassess it there.
Yep.
Proper time frame. It's not like, oh, you hit that and you take. Like, we're looking at monthly charts. If we touch that line and get a 5-minute bounce, that really doesn't mean anything. It's irrelevant. Proper time frame.
Yeah. ACLS, still, I'm looking for this. I'll retrace.
Yeah, I like short.
Yeah. I'm looking at this bigger range right there. And like, that's what we were looking on the monthly. So just a sweep or tap of these levels and then go from there on this monthly time frame right there.
We did tap into bearish OTE and that monthly OB to the left. Like, yeah, those two white, there's those two blue up candles right there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that OB.
Yeah.
And then it's an inside month now too, so this can expand down to get your little dip on this next month.
Yeah, I just do like this. I like this right there. That sweep, that was really solid. So I'd want to see something like that.
They could even do outside month then, like sweep down and then reverse it.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Adobe?
No.
Oh my.
Session disconnected.
Yeah, I need to fucking start exiting out on my laptop. Just randomly connect there. Adobe, that SFP is okay, but honestly, I'm still looking for this animal to play out. That's because of how shitty. I'd want another sweep of this monthly. If that's what we're looking at. Like, this weekly is not the best. Like, outside week, yeah, but still below that 200 EMA, so.
Looks sus. Looks like a giant And Adobe and Canva just released that free Adobe fucking software pretty much.
Oh. Yeah, fuck Adobe.
A-Desk looks like a good short too, honestly. Just look at like that SFP. Look at those 3 months. Like, it's like a head and shoulders. Those 3 last month, a little sweep above that. Kind of nasty looking.
Yeah, at least a retrace into like this range right there. That's what you could look for.
Equal lows.
Yeah, for this volume imbalance possibility. And then go from there.
Yeah, right on the 618. I like that. I'd set an alert there for sure. That stocks.
Kind of a bitch. Which one? Affirm.
No, A-Desk.
Oh, yeah.
The firm looks okay resting on top of that like previous breakout on the monthly.
I think we were looking like on the daily. It was still kind of holding this fair value gap. Which we're still kind of are doing that, but below the 200 now on the daily have flipped. Monthly, I like that. And the fact that we're closing all of these candles inside this, we can see a rising 3 out of here. As long as that it continues to hold.
To the left, we are in that bearish FEG on the monthly.
Oh, right there, yeah.
Yeah, and bearish OTE.
Yeah.
Like of that whole overall down leg.
But I do like the continued, like we continue to hold these OTEs, right? 786 right there. Then we continue to hold the 786 right there. So now it's time for this 786 or this 618 to hold over here. I'll add an alert on this sucker.
Yeah, it looks like fucking shit.
Just consolidating.
monthly FEG rejection.
Possible still to come down. Maybe tap that 786 and then go from there. But this next month might give us a fucking just downer.
Yeah, downsies.
Give us an absolute downsies. Firm or AMAT. This one looks fucking solid. Maybe it's possible just to retrace on the monthly before we do something. So that way, like, just look on the weekly time frame, see what we can do. Possibly retrace into somewhere into this range. Maybe a retest of these breakout highs right there and then go. Do that. Like that on AMAT.
Yeah. AMD such a strong close through that high on the monthly. If you draw out the broadening formation on AMD, we still have a little room higher.
On AMD.
Yeah, draw out those.
Oh, yeah. I mean, look at this OTE. We're still cooking to like 300.
Yeah. Strong close to this high, room up into 271 at least. And then if they want to break out of this broadening formation, they can. So yeah, crazy strong bullish short. Ooh,
AMT
looks like shit on the monthly.
Yeah, coming pretty close into this fucking broadening that we have going on, or consolidation, whatever you want to call it. Reverse megaphone. So be looking for these to hold over here. Or sorry, that was weekly. I mean monthly still. Same thing. All right.
That outside month in July, that SFT is gnarly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Slept closed outside. Amazon monthly super bullish too.
Amazon, yeah, that one's solid.
Outside month.
Look at that breakout that we had over here. This channel guy break below
that
it.
Little sweep
back above it.
Yeah. I like these. You really want to see a fucking monthly FVG put in if we're gonna continue.
Which, I mean, we held this one right there.
Yep. Just like through this high. I mean, you don't want to see it like sweep and reject.
Yeah. That's where it's like we want to either see like a small sweep and then go, or a deeper retrace into like a weekly OTE on this. But really solid still.
Hey, it's so fucking crazy of a chart.
Just gone. Not even
crazy.
Yeah.
Really nice chart. Perfect.
This sweep right here.
Yep. It was perfect.
Gross. ANF looks like it wants to continue to the
one more sweep would be dope.
Yep. I think that monthly or weekly OB that we're holding over here. Okay. ARM. SFP is good. Alright, no blows above those highs, so and the previous monthly low is blunt. They come down to that over here. To that 142.41. Weekly SFP.
Oh my goodness. Which one are you on now?
ARM.
That chart just doesn't have enough like price action.
Yeah.
For me.
I'm saying like weekly could be decent short with the SFP, at least into the OT of the range. Previous monthly is also blunt, so let's see something from there. ATI fucking strong. ATI.
Yeah, and then we can go back through and just check all the ones we flagged and break down the weekly and daily.
ATI. This one doesn't look bad. Honestly, so like the way it came back over here, pretty much retested this range. And maybe a similar thing where we come back down and retest some of these breakout levels. Breakout 96 and see if we can get that continuation to these highs. Right, but we also want to look on the 3 month. Yeah, 3 months looks solid. ATI is pretty good. Avgo, Insanity. Just continues to write that 200.
Did sweep and close back under, so we'll see.
Yeah, oh, weekly SFP.
Possible short.
Yeah.
Previous month high swap. Yeah, that weekly candle's pretty nasty. Even this weekly OTE range would be massive. Back to 262.
I'd be cool with that. Yeah, retest of these breakout highs wouldn't be bad.
That'd be sick. Yeah, and they can like flag it out or build it out again and continue up. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, this would pretty much go as like a 3 month OB. Yeah. Look at the 3 month OB lining up with that 786.
Yeah, and that's like a 30% drop.
Do it. Do it.
I like that.
BA. BA probably expand this to that.
Fuck BA.
Wow. Alright, moving on to Baba. Baba monthly.
Look, monthly overall, draw the huge range like bearish OTE. We did tap into premium
of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right into that. I do like the way that they're like up and handling it right now. So this is what I had on that weekly and the 3 month as well. So possible tap into right here somewhere around that weekly monthly. Thinking that we can go. Yeah, Baba could be a solid short.
That's what I think.
At least looking on the monthly.
Yep. That's all we're doing right now is looking at monthly.
Yep.
Yeah, monthly could definitely at least back into 148.
Yep. That's a good idea. Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, 140s would be solid.
Next one, BAC. This is so bullish. Like, if you redraw, like, outside month closing above through those highs, like that's the kind of strength I'm talking about. We can run up to those highs easy.
Yep, that right there, $55. $55 hairs.
Such a crazy bullish monthly close. Cat 2, don't even look at it. There's no point. Just fucking
look at this
gone.
fucking TE.
Broadening.
Yep. I feel like we've outlined this somewhere. But also, probably makes sense with Cat and the fucking White House being built, the new ballroom. It's like,
Ballroom.
yeah. The fucking Pelosi ballroom. CCL monthly, looking good for short.
I like short.
Yep.
Yeah. It was like a perfect, so like monthly swept, weekly had a bearish CISD, and we just retested it last week.
Yep, and this is what we drew out as well on CCL a little while back. Looking right here.
Yeah, really like shorts on that. Yeah, dude, send this shit back down to fucking
$20.
$10.
Holy fuck. Oh, that SFP too. This right here, that sweep.
Just a shit suck.
Carnival. Consumer hotels, resorts, cruise lines. Yeah, I guess maybe going into those winter months, not a lot of
Hurricane fucking shit.
True. Celsius monthly
short.
is so fucking good. Like, this is where I want that out of, right? This is where I would take longs on it, on Selge.
This monthly FVG and up in premium and that sweep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this looks good for shorts. Just open it, put in a little high, and spill the beans. CLS, Jesus Christ.
What the fuck? All right, yeah, moving on.
CLX from down here, maybe.
Yeah, Clorox.
Previous month low sweep would be nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, this fucking. Oh no, we look pretty fucking ugly here on the 3 month too. We look pretty fucking bad over here.
CFG is fucking dead.
Let's see what we can do here on the CLX. Actually,
No, it looks
right
pretty
here.
good.
Right here. Look at these blunt 3 months.
That'd be a fire.
104s is when
fire
I would
long.
long CLX.
Yeah, pretty heavy monthly close too. Maybe they do it quickly. So you got to take the high time frame into context. Like, some of these levels even look far, but they're not. Look at CMG, fucking 230% days back to back.
Oh, look at it. Actually.
Broadening.
Yeah, oh my god. Fucking filth.
It's dead. Send that shit to $80 or $8.
Yeah, I'm cool with that. Fuck Chipotle. That's the most dog shit fucking food you can get.
They got eat McDonald's over Chipotle, honestly.
Oh, that's a fucking controversial statement right there.
Yeah,
That's a fucking
it tastes good.
controversial fucking statement. Holy shit. Oh my god, I need to.
What are we on now?
Hold up. I need to run that poll. Or run coin.
No. CFG versus McDonald's.
God, dude. So.
The stocks speak for themselves.
Oh my goodness. Coin this monthly is fucking whack. I would not mind seeing the OTF this range.
Yeah.
On the monthly. Like 786 would be a fucking blessing down here with that volume imbalance. That would be fucking solid for longs on coin around this 208 area. $786 up the range. This one doesn't look bad. So weekly, it's hard to tell with the way this weekly is holding that FAG and that 200. I guess 3 month would be more accurate, but like the 3 month also looks like fucking ass. So this one's not looking at that. Cop tapping the monthly OTE around 786 probably. Yep, 705. ConocoPhillips gas stations. Oil and gas. I mean, they were talking about We're resuming the fucking Keystone Pipeline construction somewhere, so maybe something. Still below the 200. 78.30 looks good for a sweep and then continuation out of there. I think that's where that will reside for me. Costco looks good for a short.
Costco monthly bearish CISD, and if you look at like overall range, this bitch could come back to like 560. Like huge time frame wise.
Yeah, if we're looking on take a look at the 3 month. Yeah, this 3 month.
I don't know if it ever will, but
I mean, yeah, 604 550s would be fucking a blessing. The way this is what we look for all the time, right? How the close of the previous candle is being respected by the current candle. So right here you can see we swept over here, and then this quarterly in July could not get above the close of the previous candle of the previous quarterly, and now we're seeing the same thing. This close right there, we're now below that close. So if they continue holding that, if they continue holding this below that close, I don't see why not we at least retest those 700s. You know, that would be fucking solid. But below the 200 as well. This looks fucking... I would short the fuck out of this. Fuck Costco too. Sam's Club is better.
Disco.
CRM. We're now in CRM. Kramer. CRM monthly. Outside month on it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, three months is iffy. Nothing on that one. CRS went fucking nutty. Above this monthly, this looks good. CRS. Oh, CRS could get into this range. We'll outline that in Discord. CRS, I like that. CRS. Like some shit like this on CRS. Based on this.
Yeah.
But we'll outline more details in Discord for that one. CRM, that one saw a solid continuation. Just what we wanted after this sweep right here. This one looks good, CrowdStrike.
So strong.
Above the 200. Could come back down over here again, tap that OB, and then continuation to the upside. Or maybe not OB, more of like a mitigation block now. Something like that. I think that'll be solid as fuck. Cisco. Also, just a small sweep above that monthly high. Still holding the 200. Could see a good continuation on this one as well. Cisco. Where are we at? Carvana. Or exactly what I wanted to see on this bitch.
Outside month, short this bitch.
Then we outline this short inside the... CVNA. Yeah, we posted this way back when.
I feel like I don't have an interesting story to tell.
I posted it on here too.
Not worry about anything because
Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, Carvana looks good for fucking shorts. I like that.
I feel like I don't have.
At least into the OT of this whole range.
And I just saw that shit about a whole bunch of cars like getting repoed, like highest record amount. That's probably not good for them.
Look at this right here. That's 618. That looks good. With the
Yeah.
volume and balance right there. I think that's where, unless we keep this broadening going, we just fucking drop it down to 140s. CVS also looks like a decent short. Is what we had on the
Yep.
weekly.
Really nice short.
Outside weak, outside double weak, outside. Yeah.
Rejected OTE too of the monthly.
Mhm.
Bearish OTE. Yeah, that'd be a nice short. Carvana and CVS.
CVS, yeah, CVS and
Enjoy the time I have with my
Carvana.
friends.
Chevron. Chevron looks good.
Looks, yep.
I like that.
really
Looks
good.
rippy.
Worried about anything.
Which, if they do end up doing the whole Keystone Pipeline, this will be solid for it. We can break above these, like 166. Above 166 we'll go on CVX. Chevron oil. Delta short. I think, or at least a retrace into this OTE and then go Dow, Delta Airlines. Going to Dash. Dash, SFP on the monthly.
Yep.
Schwartz. I like this. 705, 618 lines up nicely with this right here. DDOG looks okay. I'll say just okay. Not great. Just okay.
Not worry about anything.
Data dog. DE. I do like the way that this monthly closed. Just because we're still inside this body and the way that it wicked to the downside. This one, in my opinion, could still get it. This weekly is a little ugly, but I think we can still get something out of it. On DE.
Is that where you're at? Yep.
DE. Dell. Just
That was
insanity.
crazy. We
Keep it
called that
cranking.
shit.
Yep. Break out of this and continue. Dell solid. DG.
DG looks like shit, I think.
Let me get rid of some of these shits. I think we could see something out of here. Something out of here because that 3 month, right? Granted, we can still go down to here on that 3 month, and then next 3 month is when we see that continuation back up, giving us that rising 3 on the 3 month and the quarterly. Dollar General Corporation, yeah. I think so. DG, DraftKings, fucking shitting the bed. Fuck DraftKings. Probably gonna come back on the monthly like this and then just fucking gusher. Right, or fake break, and then continuation into fucking football season for all those gambling addicts. DraftKings. Dollar Tree looks good.
Dollar Tree looks better than DG.
Yeah. I like Dollar Tree. We did say this on the weekly, which we are getting right now on the daily weekly. So just want to see what they do out of this bearish OTE and see how we react from there, which we did tap into the 50% to discount for those shorts. Kind of riding that 200, but the way that this monthly closed is pretty decent. So yeah, maybe look for, or yeah, possible weekly OTE of this range right here. Let's do a quick outline on this one. Right, for testing multiples, 50% would be inside this fair value gap. So there's a chance that we do this and then break out of this range. But that's given how the monthly looks. Thoughts?
It just has to hold
Yeah.
above this month's 50% for me. Like, cannot go below this current month, like that one that we just closed, 50%.
Yep, I like that. Doku.
Yeah, it looks fine still.
Yeah, 705. Pretty close. SFP still holding that liquidity inside the fair value gap as well. So I'm liking this one for a good continuation on Doku.
Holding the 618 bodies. That kind of looks like a good short.
John. Which one, Duck?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, that does look like a solid ass fucking short. I like that. Duck. eBay. Fucking
EK.
EK. Oh man. EK. Yeah, send it down with haste. It either needs to hold this 81 or otherwise it's fucking done for. Then we're gonna start looking at the 3-month OTE here soon. On EA. Elf. Also just not holding this order block right there. Possible tap of this range OTE, right? And then go on Elf. It's like a 618, just below that liquidity right there, and then continuation out of it. So I do like the higher time frame OT that we've held. I like the 3-month. You dig?
I dig.
ENPH.
Piece of shit. Delete it.
Next. Etsy. Etsy. Also kind of a piece of shit. Could be good short.
Yep. Yeah, it could be a good short off that sweep and close back in.
Send it down to $30. Etsy. Ford, come on, girl. Give us that continuation. Ford, I would still long Ford.
Still in it.
Yeah, maybe like weekly tap of this OB right there and then continuation. So FedEx looks good. It did what we wanted it to do over here. Look at that fucking continuation. If you guys were with us at that time. God. Oh. FSLR.
Crazy good on the monthly.
Yep. This
Broadening.
whole fucking this range OTE tap was fucking solid. Slar. The F slur. FSLR. F slur, baby. Comment down below if you know what the F slur is. Gold monthly. Short. maybe tap of this fair.
Not
like
yet.
that right there. The retest of this breakout wouldn't be bad at all, in my opinion. With this gap right there. Gold, GameStop, Gaystop. Fucking next. Generac.
Genderac.
Generac.
Looks like shit.
If you guys want to keep on tuning into these most offensive streams on the internet, tell your friends about us.
Yeah, I might as well continue by saying Jamaica can't afford generators, so the hurricane probably doesn't help.
Weekly also looks just like a fucking M, dude. monthly.
I think generator's gonna help Jamaica.
Yeah. Sad. Freaking Melissa Google. Fucking keep going.
Gone. Yeah. Expando.
Yeah, major expando.
That's what I'm saying. Like Apple can do, like that FVG close,
Mhm.
like through those highs that it did. Sheesh. I love new monthly opens.
Yeah. It's gonna be for future 207s. Fucking Google buys at 207. It's gonna be fucking solid.
It's gonna be sick, bro. Inside month on GS.
Expiration. Fucking.
Okay. You're gonna forget now after New Year's.
No. Why can't I fucking pick past January 2026? That's fucking stupid.
New year, new alerts, bro.
Fuck that.
Inside month.
GS gay sex. 3 months. 3 months still looks good on it.
Oh, I like GitLab. How it's building
GitLab.
on that low. Yeah, GitLab. How it's building on that low.
Yeah, with that.
And it is an
S&P.
OTE.
Mm-hmm. 3 month looks pretty fucking good on it too.
Yeah, it looks good.
Home Depot.
Homo Depot.
Homo Depot.
Holy Depot.
Homo Depot coming into that weekly OTE, so just kind of consolidating. Honestly, we can see a rising 3 on this one on the week. The way that this held right there, we can see a nice popper on that. Don't quote me on that, right? This could be just a monthly wick to the top and then continuation to the downside. Him's got fucking just absolute anal beads over here on him, so let me delete it.
El Depot.
Depot. Hims. Next. Hood.
El Homo Depot.
El Homa Depot. El Casa de Maricón.
El Orange Palace.
Dude, this OTE fucking tap on Hood was fucking insane. Drop it. March 15th, 2025. Oh my god. Look at this shit. I think this is what back when we were fucking just starting to stream.
I think so.
That's insane.
Don Depot.
Don Depot. Hood.
Yeah, Hood's the best.
Yeah, these look fucking solid. Golly. See if I posted Hood anywhere. Yeah, dude, we fucking just outlined the fucking low of Hood right here back in April. Look at this shit. $44. 44 fucking dollars over here on Hood. That's insane. Now it's at 146. God fucking
$100.
yeah. Humana. Ah.
Looks okay.
Yeah. 3 months
3 months.
looks good. I like the 3 month on it. On Humana.
Irritable bowel machine.
Oh yeah. I was about to say I'm like IBMs. That's like IBS, dude. Irritable bowel movement. That's what it is. IBM.
Nice close to the highs.
Yeah. Like that. Possible retest on the monthly. Right. So like tap up this shit and then go on IBM. INTC. Also solid close above this breakout high right there. This one can still see a good continuation on it.
Still in that monthly bearish OTE.
Yep. I was just about to say, like the way that this monthly is kind of just fucking blunt as
And
fuck.
FBG.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful.
Let's do this on it. And that'll be better on Intel. Maybe they're gonna fucking shit the bed and then come out with a good processor for AI. IWM could be short into this range. JD. Just dick. Still holding the monthly fair value gap. But we're just like consolidating the fuck in here, so. Nothing. Jets. Jets. I would say OTE on Jets would be good.
Yeah.
Johnson. Close above that, but barely. It's just this price action is just fucking, you know. JP Morgan. Continuation. Coke. 3 month could not get above that previous 3 month close. I think Coke could be a short.
Banger. Yeah, after that sweep too, yeah.
Daily SFB is good. Monthly is tap up the FEG, but we're still like pretty much inside month on the body, so. Or the weekly is inside, monthly is. There's a chance that we sweep these lows on Coke. Lockheed Martin. Monthly could be a short. Previous 3 months swept to rejection of bearish OTE probably over here, at least 50% or close to it. Oh, right on it. Look at that. Look at that. Lockheed Martin could be a fucking short. Monthly discount for shorts. Lows, we can see a rising 3 on this monthly, possible, right? Just because of the way that we are in this fair value gap here on the weekly. But I'm also not going to be opposed to continuation down further on it. Actually, wait, hold up. 3 month. No, I like the 3 month on it. I think 3 month could be a solid riser on this. I think, yeah, low continuation.
Yeah.
LRCX.
Look at that. Look at the chart I just posted and what I replied to in options.
Oh my god, dude. The fucking bottom.
That SFP month.
That's insane. Yeah, keep cranking this girl. Lulu. Fucking disgusting. Lulu lower. Lulu at 128. Wouldn't be bad. Yeah, the 3 months still looks like it wants something. Love monthly looks pretty bad. 3 month also just consolidation. Love, not the best. Lift could be good on this monthly. Inside month, holding this previous monthly high. Lift could be good. M looks fucking solid.
So good. It's the best chart.
M looks, yeah.
Hands down.
Yeah.
They can flip this like monthly.
This.
You go on the monthly, just like where all these opens and closes are by that SFP. Just gotta flip this area here.
Yeah. Like this general fucking. Oh my god. This general area.
Yeah. If they can do that, this thing can go fucking crazy.
Yeah, 3-month looks good too. I really like that monthly breakout right here. Macy's might even just be good for commons at $20. Not bad.
Comments are for the gays.
MA short. MasterCard.
Make Vehicle short.
Mara.
Short.
Yeah. Gonna be a lot. That's McDonald's. Change this to G.
MDB.
Inside. Nothing. MDB, that looks fucking good.
But
MDB, we talked about it right over here.
Yep. So long. I think in Wisconsin.
Yeah.
I posted.
MDB, let me see. Talk about this shit. MDB, yeah, it's been a fucking minute since we mentioned that shit. Yeah, monthly could be good still. DB meta.
Okay, go on the monthly. Draw that high out.
We are in the monthly.
There's that lack of printing an FVG through the highs.
Yeah, yep.
Like we never put one through after that close above. That looks bad on the 3-month.
Fuck, meta. I'll take meta at 300.
Cue the walkie-talkie picture.
Oh, yeah. Hold up.
And OpenAI stealing all Meta's fucking employees and shit. Probably not very good either. For Zuckerberg. Robo Boy.
There we go.
Yeah, for real.
There you go. Meta. At least the fucking OTE of this range. Right?
Minimum.
705 over here would be fucking solid at 537 with this volume imbalance. Short this thing. Short it. Mega Gabe Market MGM 786 over here or something. 618.
The male gay market.
Oh my god, why is my mouse not fucking clicking shit? There's 705. I was close. It's 6. Needs to hold this range, otherwise continuation. Triple M.
Outside mod.
Yeah, that's good. No sweeps yet. Probably maybe a retrace over here. I will take a retrace down to 155s on this new monthly and then go from there. Banger. She told me that I'm tasteless. mRNA, fuck that. Marvel. Looks like shit. What?
On the monthly?
Yeah,
I don't know, we're
monthly.
just like up in this FVG.
Hot sweet.
I don't know. We tapped the 618 and pulled back from it, but we also swept the low on the monthly. So I don't know. Middle of the range bullshit is what I meant.
Okay. I'll take that.
It could go either way. It could go up, take the highs, or it could reject.
Microsoft. Look at the weekly, monthly.
I bet it swept in after hours too.
Probably.
Let me look.
Oh.
Yeah, it did. It did. It swept the highs.
Wait, no. Oh, my chart.
Wait, let me see.
The highest is 562s. Didn't quite get to it.
Oh yeah.
But I do like this animal. Honestly, like the way this weekly just looks fucking bad. Like just looking at the weekly.
Yeah.
Monthly wise, we could still do something, but look at this fucking gapper that we have and look at where it lines up. 705 area, 618s. Just saying. Master ass.
Aster. MU looks crazy.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Tapo's SOTE was nice, huh? 705. Micron. NCLH. Norwegian Cruise Line. Bearish. Knee. Actually, you don't have NEM. NEM. Do you have that one? Right?
Yeah.
That one looks shorty. Oh, that closed right below this fucking sweep. Yeah. Send her down with haste. 618 retest of these ranges. Like that. Yeah, send Nemo down. Net looks good.
That's so good. I called that shit.
Yeah. I think a retest of this right there, of the 221, would be solid. 3 months looks fucking crazy. Netflix. Continuation down.
Yeah, I want that OP.
Oh,
Nike looks horrible.
Yeah. I mean, we're retesting this breakout almost on that weekly, right? Got that solid falling 3 to the downside on it. Just fucking awesome. So maybe outside month.
Yeah.
Possible. Now, fucking nothing inside month. Ass cheeks.
NQ fucking crazy.
Cranker. Fucking disgusting. Nvidia. Same thing here, just fucking insane. Oh.
Still looks fine. It's just this massive wedge on the monthly. Octa's okay. Yeah. I still like Octa.
Yep. Rising 3 possible on this quarterly is what we were saying. You guys missed it. Yeah, I like the weekly looks good too. Monthly looks good. Octa on. It's outside month. One's decent.
Oracle, they can bounce from here
Oracle.
if they want.
Yeah, the weekly looks good. I like the way that weekly looks good on Oracle. Oxy, shit. PNW, monthly. Continue, PBR, pen.
Pen looks horrible.
Yep. Pep, C.
Looks heavy still.
Yeah. Pfizer, Schwartz. Send that thing to fucking back down to $12. PG. Monthly SFB. Possible. Continue out of here. Pins looks okay. I like pins.
Yeah, I do too.
Play fucking destroyed.
Got it.
Play got fucked on. I feel like we outlined the short somewhere in here. Done. Monthly is iffy. Yeah, Piton, PayPal, to QCOM. That one, I think we can see a continuation on this one. Close above that. Q, QS. QS looks good.
Queer service?
Service. Queer space.
Queer space. Yeah, it's a good business name.
Roblox. I'm still liking shorts on this one.
Oh yeah. Queer space is like a rentable space for queer events.
Rainbow cakes and shit.
I like RCL longs. If this monthly gets a little bit lower.
Yeah, this is a good retest right here. Like this is what we talk about usually. Those breakout highs where we just gush through them. Those are the levels that we want to come back and retest and see if they show us support or resistance. So this right here is nice that we came back to it. Honestly, I would not mind seeing lower on it, just a little bit below, so then like, we can sweep the monthly, tap into this 50%, and then go from there. So like a little bit like that. Riot shorts.
Riot shorts for sure. Rivian's
just still
really it's just a horrible stock.
I love Rivian.
Roku shorts. Maybe.
Yes, Roku. Yeah, this is kind of undecided over here. Above the 200 still. The 3 month is okay, but if this SFP continues like that, then yeah, we can fuck it. Short this puppy. RPD. Hey, she got fucking low. Godly. Oh god. SFP. S.
Dude, draw out that monthly OB on S Bucks. Where we swept those 2 monthlies that went up into sweeping that liquidity.
This right here?
Yeah, look at that. Look how good that helped.
Yeah.
So clean. Such a shit stock.
Yep. B. I would not be close to short anymore, but
ooh. SE almost got bearish premium, but it didn't quite get it yet.
Over here, yeah. I think
of like the huge range.
Or I think like for bullish, if we're looking bullish, we can come down over here.
Yep, and then push up into 203 after that.
Here and then 203. SE. SLB, I think can still see that upside. Outside 3 month almost. SLB would be good. I like this one, still for longs. Maybe one more sweep of this, like $30. SMH, Insanity. Snap Shorts. Snow.
There's not much good looking shit.
Spot. That's pretty good. Team could be good. Team monthly.
Yeah, team looks good. I like team. I posted it before. Earlier today.
Yeah, I like team. Target. I like the way that we closed inside this range, so I would still be a bit longer on this one. We'll see. Target still undecided. TMO. It's like some of these, like they're like so pumped up, then you're just like, I don't even want to fucking.
That's not worth it.
Yeah. It's like longing the
Middle of the
fucking
range
top.
That's why I like looking at the monthly, because like, yeah, some of these have been doing really good, but it's like in bearish OTE of the monthly, so you never know.
Tism. PTD still shorts. Texan got fucking destroyed. You could be good, but would not mind seeing that FPG right there. UAL shorts. Uber nothing. Ulta be short. UPS, that monthly looks fucking solid. The body closed above the fucking Bear Valley gap on the monthly. Retest of that and then continuation. Prime. I like UPS. Upstart.
Yeah, I love UPS. Just needs that CISD.
Upstart, decent tap of that 705. So now we just need to see a continuation out of this quarterly. USB. And probably shorts on USB, at least into OTE. Just BV, VLO, nothing VZ, shit.
Damn. Denver sets monthly record for hottest temperature hit in November.
What?
In history, like today.
Damn.
It's hot out.
Yeah, it's fucking spicy. Ugh, Wix, I don't know. Still watching the way that they want to do this quarterly. We are holding like a decent range of this, 50% probably, like a little bit. As long as the body's above the 50% of the weekly, the quarterly, 50% of the wick on the quarterly, I think we can see continuation on this one. On Wix. Monthly's but I like the weekly. Walmart shorts. Failed to break above this fucking consolidation guy. Thoughts on WMT?
Short it. It's 78 degrees out right now.
God damn. It's fucking wild. Win. I like the way that we held this monthly retest. So possible. Continuation win. Zom. XYZ monthly. Nothing really. Z looks good monthly. I like Z monthly.
Yeah, I like that. I've liked that one for a bit.
Alright, coming down to ZM looks good too.
Yeah, I like Z a lot.
ZS.
ZM looks amazing.
All of these ZM,
Yep.
ZS. Those look good. And that's it. That's all we got for you guys today. I think we'll post some crypto charts. Been going for about an hour and a half here. So thank you all for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Mr. Hayes, do you have anything on these anymore?
No, we'll just post a deeper, like, multiple time frame analysis in Discord for our members.
Yeah.
But I hope that helps you understand how we look at stuff, like on the new higher time frame opens.
yeah, if you guys want some more in-depth analysis, like Mr. Hayes mentioned, make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. It's where you will find what we're all about, and you'll find a deeper analysis inside our Discord for those that are in there. You'll also find some free tools that are on our website. Make sure you check out the Twitter
Deeper
page. Oh, what was that?
Deeper anal.
Deeper.
Go ahead.
Did I say deeper anal?
No, I did.
All right. Happy late Halloween. Eat a Butterfinger and don't finger your butt. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out Hayes. 3,000 followers. We're gonna do a lifetime giveaway for the Paper Traders Discord off of his page. 2,000 for me. I'll quit my job. 3,000. We'll stop talking about your moms. So make sure you share these streams. That's the best way to support us. Just share, like, and get your friends in here. You know, come tune into those morning streams as well. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you. And peace out, Mr. Hayes. Anything?
Peace. Nope.
All right.
Bye.
Peace.